What's up, subscribers? What's up, viewers? Today I'm going to do an unboxing or an unpacking or a review, whatever you want to call it, of this. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Vvhooy. And it's actually pretty cool. Look at it. So it's like a selfie stick, and it has a tripod, and plus it has the lockdown so that if you want to put your camera or whatever on it, you can. It's gonna. Well, there you go. Read this information while I get it ready.
Me?
No.
Oh.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. As the camera's trying to focus. Okay, and here's the back side in case you want to get the thing there so you can get your camera and your picture of that. It's on Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive, so obviously you have the thing that goes around your wrist for the little people, and it has a nice handle. Good club. You unlock it that way and it pulls out, and you turn it back this way to lock it. It's pretty. See if I can lock it. Yeah. So you got it more than a foot there. Probably about 12 inches. Let's see. Probably about 18, 16 inches. Selfie stick. Look at that. You can go way out here, and little tripod. Check out the tripod. It's pretty cool. Feels like it's metal. It's got some good rubber stoppers on there. So, in the bottom of it, it has the hole, and obviously you just twist it on like so until it's nice and snug and tight. And it has these extra pieces here, as you see. So when you put it on, you put it just like this. And the same thing if you have a camera or a GoPro, the little buttons, you know, in case people don't know, you just put it there, and then you just thread it through this way. Like that. But I'm actually going to use it for something else, so I'm not going to put that on right now. So anyways, guys, I'm going to put the descriptions of this on the link, in the link below. If you want something cool, check it out. Like I said, it's inexpensive, and it's a good way to do vlogs or whatever you want to do. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. And don't forget, there is a new channel coming up. It is a art studio channel. I think I'm going to call it Milk Studios. Probably Milk Studios. And it's basically just a tutorial of art stuff, how to do, what to do, paintings, drawings, stuff like that. It's going to be, I think, interesting. I'm going to start a Twitter and Facebook account with it, and to kind of go along with it. So make sure you check it out when I do upload it or whatever, get it going. I'll let you guys know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you can get my newest video whenever I do a video. Later.